So when I think of makeup and hurry up, it doesn't make any sense. But then my brain works and three things come to my mind: a top note, and a red lip, and a winged eyeliner, which is the most sexiest eyeliner on this world. Who made this winged eyeliner, by the way? This is like great. It works so great for me. So welcome back to today's video where I'm going to show you how to create this winged eyeliner. Welcome back to first how to video of mine, which I've been raving about from the beginning of my channel, that I'm gonna make it. So this is the video where I'm gonna show you how to create the most sexiest and most toughest, which you think is most toughest eyeliner in this world, which is basically the winged eyeliner. So we're gonna create this winged eyeliner, but before we jump into the video, you just need to subscribe to my channel. You need to like the video, then you need to share the video. You do these three things and come along with me. Come. The very first step of doing a winged eyeliner is to know what you're doing. Yes, you should know what you are going to do. You are going to do the most tough eyeliner in the world. That is what is said. It's not gonna be that tough from now onwards. I'm gonna tell and break everything which I know about the winged eyeliner, which makes every eye so beautiful. So when I talk about winged eyeliner, I want you guys to know that what is basically winged eyeliner, what eye shape you have, and how these both gonna club to give you a very good eye day. Yes, a very good eye day. So basically, you need to know about your eyes. So when I say you need to know about your eyes, you should know if you have hooded eyes or you don't have hooded eyes. So first step is to know your eye shape and then create a winged eyeliner. So the second step in creating a winged eyeliner is keep calm and relaxed, and if possible, keep a table in front of you. You can put your arm, and you would be relaxed, and like when you're giving swipes on your eye, your elbow should rest on a table, so that you are not your elbow or your body is not hurting you in a way that you cannot create an eyeliner. So yes, this is my second pro tip, that don't ever be in like super quickness. For the beginners only. Yes, the pros, they can do it like this and but for the beginners, keep your arm somewhere so that your eyeliner applies real quick and easy and hassle free. Third step in creating a winged eyeliner is decide what goes good for your eyes, what goes good for you. Many people are flying today. Creating a winged eyeliner, don't go for new products. Like, don't just start. If you are a gel eyeliner user, don't start with the liquid eyeliner. If you are a liquid eyeliner user, then don't start with the gel eyeliner. Practice with your basics. Like, any liquid eyeliner can go, any gel eyeliner can go. I am basically the lover of gel eyeliner for my lower lash line, but for the upper, these days I am in love with this Lakme 925 eyeliner, which I have with me right now. I so love this eyeliner. Just the perfect black, perfect matte, it has the shine which I need. Sometimes it like gets crusty after use of 10 hours, 9 to 10 hours. Yes, any eyeliner gets distorted by, but it happens when I rub my eyes more than like 10 times. The step 4, the hustle of winged eyeliner, is how can I create both the wings equal or on a same angle. So that is why I said you should know the anatomy of your eyes so that you can create the wing accordingly. So for the anatomy of the eye, or for the winged eye, I'm gonna just tell you what you need to do. So for the people who have eyes like me, they just need to know 2 or 3 points on the face for a winged eyeliner, which is the L of the nose, the outer corner of your eye, and the outer edge of your eyebrow. And you need to connect these 3 points to get a perfect winged eyeliner, or the first flick, or the angle where your wing has to be there. And for the people who have hooded eyes, they should know about 2 points: the outer corner of your eyes and the tragus of your ear. So tragus is the point, if you don't know about that, which is the this movable part of the ear where it meet up your face. So this is the point, which is the tragus, and this and this the outer end. This is where the hooded wing should lie. Okay, I'm gonna do the wing, which I will make on myself for the for which the wing which will connect these 3 points. And now we just gonna take our eyeliner and make a first line, which would be like the first step or the initial foundation of our winged eyeliner. Since I have roughly the idea where it's gonna be, so I'm just gonna line it as such. But you can take a pencil for the reference or a brush for the reference of it. The next step is that take less product. Yes, take less product on your wand. I'm gonna take a very little product which is on my wand. It's like there should be nothing on your wand. So now what I'm gonna do is take my eyeliner and now flick it towards the, like, this was the point, you remember? Now I'm gonna shift to voiceover. So can you see this flick or this line which I have drawn on my eye? Yes. So this is the line where your wing liner should start. So for the angle, you don't have to start from the farthest point of your wing, you just have to start flicking it inwards from the middle point. So the pro tip here would be do a thin line on the whole lid and then go as much bulky or as much thick liner look you want to, but start with the thin line. So the outer V has been created, if you can see. Now what I'm going to do is line my eye. In the meanwhile, you can also subscribe to my channel and like my videos and comment. I'm gonna give a very light hand. I'm not giving like a hard hand here. So the thinnest line would be on the inner corner or the inner third of the eye. Then it would be thick here, and then again the thin here. So it's like thick, thin, thin. So for me, it works great if I like make this portion thick and then flatten it up. Don't go for a straight line because then it's really not the winged eyeliner. Now I'm gonna thicken the center portion and make a proper angle on the corner of the eye. It like take me a while to wipe off the excess. Great tip here is to always flick your wing outwards and as far as possible. Like here I'm saying that you should be like starting from the center and giving it an illusion of this type of an eye, you know, where it's a tapering wing at the end of your eye. So this is like a great tip, that you should thicken it up in the center, then it really gives your eye a shape. So this is how I do my winged eyeliner, which is like super easy and super comfortable way. So I'm gonna complete my other eye and then come back in some while and tell you some more tips and tricks in just one go. Winged eyeliner is done, and now I'm gonna quickly give you my whole idea or whole steps of doing the tips of doing the winged eyeliner. First, know what you're doing. Second, be calm and do winged eyeliner. Third, be quicker, don't let it dry down. Fourth, do it in small strokes. 5, no pressure or very, very, very light pressure. 5, 6, take it as far as you can. 6, follow your eye shape and you're good to go. So we have done our top knot, our red lips and winged eyeliner, and now it's time to leave and the dogs are barking again. Tell me in the comment section which more how to do looks you would prefer me to do, or tag me in your videos. My Instagram or my social handles will be revolving all around in the video, and tell me what do you think of the eyeliner you have made some dramatic as far as possible taking the winged eyeliner or not. Tag me in your videos and I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.